Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to share your screen on Telegram. Telegram allows you to share your device screen during a video call, which can be useful when you want to show an app, a document, a presentation, or other content on your device to another person. For this demonstration, I will use the Telegram mobile app to show the screen sharing option. After taking a screenshot of the relevant option, I will send the screenshot to my Telegram account and open it on Telegram desktop. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and open a video call with a Telegram contact. Once the video call interface appears, look through the available call controls and find the option for sharing your screen. The Share Screen option allows you to share the content displayed on your device with the other person during a video call. For this demonstration, I will take a screenshot showing the screen sharing option. Now, I will send this screenshot to my Telegram account so I can open and show it on Telegram desktop. Let's open Telegram desktop and find the screenshot that was sent from the phone. As you can see, the screenshot shows the share screen option available during a Telegram video call. To use this feature, you can select the share screen option during a video call and follow the on-screen instructions to begin sharing your device screen. And that's it. This is how you can find and use the screen sharing option on Telegram. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.